Hi friends, welcome to our video on conjunction because let's get started. Title: Conjunction because. You know how sometimes you ask why? Well, because helps answer that question. The girl is eating ice cream because it's hot outside. See how because explains why the girl is eating ice cream. She is studying because she has a test tomorrow. Here, because shows why she is studying. She is smiling because she is happy. Here, because connects an action with its cause. She is smiling is indication and action. She is happy is providing cause. She's wearing a coat because it's raining. Because introduces the reason for her action. He said, I love reading because it's fun. Because introduces the reason for his feeling. She's excited because it's her birthday. Here because introduce the reason for the emotion and connects these two ideas. She's grateful because she has wonderful friends. Here because introduces the reason for this feeling. She's working hard because she wants to succeed. The conjunction because is used to link the action working hard with the reason wanting to succeed. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more language tips and lessons.